Welcome to Aidanator Labs. Please can someone make a better intro than that, because that one is just really bad. Anyway, today on Aidanator Labs we're going to be recreating digestion with an actual stomach. Now, unfortunately my assistant Edward couldn't be here today to be disemboweled, so I had to go for the next best thing, which is this one, which is just a stomach that I found lying around the house, so should be fine. Oh, there are goggles in here. Don't need these. Okay, that is a good look. Sick. If you haven't seen the last Aidanator Labs video, which was quite a while ago, where I made slime, and just to clarify, this was before the whole slime thing was a trend, so you can thank me for all these current slime videos on the internet. I set the trend, if you know what I'm saying. So essentially I've had this science kit stuck on a shelf in my room for, not even exaggerating here, about 8 years, and it's never been used, so it probably doesn't even work anymore, but we're gonna try. Also, I don't know if you can see this, but my eye is now not opening due to these glasses, which is just great. So it does come with instructions. It says, "Hey, I'm Haley Healer, a medical scientist. Have you noticed how your stomach seems to have a life of its own?" No, I haven't actually. "It rumbles and can make you feel queasy and sick. First try. What I need for this experimente: 50 milliliters of water, 50 milliliters of milk, half a finely chopped carrot, half a mashed up banana, a broken up biscuit, 2 bowls and a spoon."
Especially the spoon.
So first of all, what you're gonna wanna do is get the milk and the water and just mix them together. This is to recreate
Saliva.
Then you're going to want to put that in a bowl. Easy. Then you add the biscuit, the banana, we have a slight issue here with the banana. Oh god. Oh.
Lovely.
And carrots. Sick. Did you get that? That was a pretty good joke, wasn't it? Then you're gonna want vinegar. Now, this is malt vinegar, and it's very old. This has got to be, yeah, nearly a decade old vinegar. Hopefully it'll still work though. It's still a liquid. That's good. I'm getting a bad feeling about this. I'm just gonna... No. Oh my... It smells. Just a slight health and safety advice for this kit if you do choose to get it. Don't leave the vinegar for 10 years, because it smells awful. I don't really want this in my room. It also isn't like a normal vinegar color, it's actually brown with slightly gray as well, and I think there's some lumps in it. So I'm just gonna get some vinegar of my own. I've got the vinegar. Oh no, I got it on the mic. Okay, this vinegar doesn't smell nearly as bad, so I think we're in safe grounds. I'm just gonna stir this up a bit. Lovely. So, we're gonna leave this just to settle for a bit and turn into essentially puke. And then in another bowl, we're gonna put in the stomach and a funnel. I get the feeling there might be a tiny bit of mess involved, but I think we'll be fine. This is the messy bit of the experiment, so it's best to do it over a sink or outside. I'd do it over a sink, but that would involve moving all of the equipment that I spent an hour setting up for this video to somewhere else, and I don't really want to do that. And I would go outside, but currently it's -5 and a blizzard with 60-mile-an-hour winds and heavy snow, so I don't think that's the best idea. So we're gonna have to make do where we are. So now what it's asking me to do is pour the sick into the stomach through the funnel while holding the sphincter closed so it doesn't all slop out, just squish the sides of it while it's all in there to churn it around like the stomach muscles. Oh, this is a very pleasant video. Right, make sure I hold the sphincter. Oh my. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh. Oh dear. The funnel's been blocked up. Oh, this is very bad. Oh no, now the vinegar's gone. That was the blockage issue. Oh, that's a nice noise. Oh, it's blocked again. Stop blocking yourself. I clearly didn't chop up these carrots finely enough. This is very bad. Oh, that's a big chunk of banana. Oh my. Okay, it's starting leaking out of the sphincter. I'm clearly not holding it enough. Hello. Right. Funnel's out of the way. Oh, this is very full. Squeeze the sides of it until it's all nice and churned up. Oh, it's coming out the top. We got it coming out of both ends, everyone. Oh dear me. Somehow I've got to get this pack of bicarbonate of soda, which is also 10 years old, and put it in there while keeping it closed. This should be interesting. I really should have done this beforehand, I think. That would be a better idea. Bicarbonate of soda, just to clarify, it says not for human consumption. So in case I thought bicarbonate of soda, I just eat this instead of put it in a stomach. So I'll just stick this in here. Oh no. Oh. What's going on? It's erupting. Man overboard. Oh my, oh. This is what I'm doing with my life. And now it's asking me to squeeze it, which is really nice. Oh my god. The stomach model started fizzing and swelling up as gas formed inside it. Sometimes when I let gas out, the stomach burped, just like a real stomach. Mine just oozed. It's continuing to ooze, actually. When I mashed up the sloppy sludge inside the balloon. That's not a balloon. Well then, hopefully this has been a very educational science video. I've definitely learned not to leave science kits for 10 years before using them because the vinegar smelled mank. This was a bad idea. Thanks for watching. Make sure to tune into the next episode of Aidanator Labs. See you then. Aidan out. Ow, my eyes.